Okay, we're gonna go out to eat. It's Valentine's Day.
Yeah, we got that memo, thanks.
Well, you look nice. You going to a party?
Yeah, you're looking at it. Party of 2. It's gonna be awesome.
We've seen her like this before. Is it over, or is it just beginning?
Fasten your seatbelts. It's gonna be a bumpy night.
Time to go.
I've got a hole in my heart that goes all the way to China. Though you can't see the bottom, you know it's a long way down. That was to you, Frederick. Ugh. What are you doing here? You're uninvited to my party. Let me alone on Valentine's Day. You know I'm talking about you.
Now, buffalo right here. Doesn't taste like love. Doesn't taste like bread at all. Does taste pretty good though.
Oh, hey, Ken. Oh, hey, put a bird on it, Barbie. What's up? Well, I just got ready for a super cool, awesome Portland Valentine's Day. It's gonna be so much fun. Well, the thing is, I don't want to spend Valentine's Day with you because you're lame. But I had so many plans. First, we're going to put birds on things. Then, we're going to go to the feminist bookstore. Then, we're going to ride bikes all through Portland. Doesn't that sound like so much fun? No, it sounds lame. I'm trying to tell you I don't like you and I don't like Portland. What? How could you not like the coolest place on the whole planet? I've been trying to tell you this for so long. You're the lamest girl I know, and so is Portland. But Portland's not a girl, Ken. You know what I mean. Here's the thing. I don't like you. I don't like Portland. I don't like putting birds on things. You don't like putting birds on things? Do I hear an echo? Yes. I don't like putting birds on things. So, here's the thing. I'm moving away from Portland. I don't understand. How could you want to move away from the most wonderful place on the whole planet? Because it's not the most wonderful place. You know where the most wonderful place is? California. Because there I can wear no shirt all the time and meet lots of hot bitches and go surfing whenever I want. Well, that sounds not fun at all. Why would you ever want to do that? You could be here and wear mustaches and, like I said, put birds on things. You do that all the time. You're so lame. So I'm going to move to California, and I've already found my first 2 hot bitches. Hey, we're the hot bitches. Sit there, toodaloo.
totally hot. But, help me put birds on things. Oh my gosh, you're totally lame. We're going to California now. We like Katy Perry. But Ken, I love you. Oh, see you later. We're going to go get tan and go surfing. Where will I ever find my one true love who will help me put birds on things and read feminist literature and ride bikes? No. Yes. 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 No.